Hello from the Bureau with an update on the southeast cold snap. Southeast Tasmania recorded some exceptionally high rainfall totals overnight as a series of intense storms tracked east to west on the southern side of a powerful low pressure complex. 43 millimetres fell in Hobart in just 1 hour last night, and rainfall has resulted in flash flooding and river rises through the southeast. The eastern half of Tasmania is on flood watch and minor flood warnings have been issued for multiple catchments. Wind gusts have exceeded 100 km per hour at many locations in Tasmania and through southwestern Victoria overnight. And while rainfall totals to 9 am this morning have been lower through Victoria, they are set to increase for the remainder of today and tomorrow. A flood watch has been issued for Gippsland and the Upper Yarra. And the cold snap also lowered the snow level overnight, down to around 700 metres on the mainland, and some towns in the central tablelands of New South Wales awoke to a dusting of snow. Today we have severe weather warnings still covering large areas of southeastern Australia. The heavy rain and strongest winds in Tasmania are contracting northward this afternoon and are expected to clear the state this evening. Through Victoria, heavy rainfall through central parts is expected to extend to Gippsland and alpine areas later this evening as the low pressure complex does move further east. And damaging winds could lag behind the heaviest rain. The strongest winds in Melbourne are expected this afternoon and early evening. Through New South Wales, rainfall totals will be lower, but winds may reach gale force strength with damaging wind gusts about the ranges and southern coastal parts. And hazardous surf conditions are expected to develop later tonight over those southern coastal waters. By Saturday, the heavy rains and damaging winds will have contracted to East Gippsland and Alpine Victoria as this low pressure complex does continue to move further east. A further 50 to 100 millimetres of rain is expected, with isolated totals of up to 150 millimetres possible. Through New South Wales, damaging winds will start to ease on Saturday, but damaging waves in excess of 5 metres are possible on Saturday morning along stretches of the coast south of Kiama, while hazardous surf conditions will extend further northward over the weekend. So while this cold snap continues, stay warm, stay safe and follow all advice from emergency services. You can stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our website or the Bomb Weather app, and you can also follow us on Twitter.